In this video I am going to tell you how to increase brightness of your video using Filmora. So this is my video which I have added in my Filmora. You can see it is not bright at all. So I will make it bright. How I'll do it? I just need to double tap. First of all, I need to add this video to my timeline like this. Now left click, double tap here, and this will open up. And herein I need to click on this color option, and after that you can see these are the options which showing, and herein you need to select this tone option, and herein you can see this brightness is showing here. So as of now this is 0, so I will increase it a little bit. You can see, let me play the video now. So it is, you can increase it further if you want, so make it little more brighter like this, and now you can play it. You can see you can increase and decrease it according to your need from here. So it is now better than before, because earlier it was 0 like this. Let me show you 0 again. It was like this 0. Now you can see it is increasing, and it is now much better. So this is the option which you can get in color under tone, this brightness option. And you can use this contrast as well if you want, little bit contrast and saturation as well from here, and adjust it properly from here. These all three options, and after that just click on OK, and you can export this file. So I hope friends now you will be able to use this option, and in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.